Evolution of music, fashion, and visual arts before and after. Music before, dominance of physical formats like vinyl records, cassette tapes, and CDs. Genres such as rock, pop, jazz, classical, and hip-hop were prominent. Mainstream music consumption relied heavily on radio, TV, and physical sales. Live performances were crucial for artists to gain exposure and revenue. Music now, digital streaming platforms dominate music consumption. Genres have become more fluid and hybridized with the rise of subgenres and niche communities. Social media plays a crucial role in music discovery and promotion. Live streaming concerts and virtual events have become popular, especially during times of global events. So next is fashion. Fashion before influence of mainstream fashion magazines and runway shows. Trends tended to be slower to evolve, with seasonal changes being the norm. Designer labels and luxury brands held significant sway. Street fashion had local influences and was less globally connected. So fashion now is social media influencers and online platforms heavily shape fashion trends. Fast fashion has accelerated the pace of trend turnover. Sustainable and ethical fashion movements gain traction, and streetwear culture has become globally interconnected and influential. So the last one is visual arts. Visual arts before, traditional art forms dominated the visual art scene. Paintings, sculptures, and architecture were primarily mediums of expression. Realism and classical techniques were highly valued, and artworks were often commissioned by wealthy patrons or religious institutions. And the next one is the art wood was limited to a select group of artists and collections. So visual arts now is, the visual arts have expanded to include various new mediums and techniques. Digital art, photography, video art, and installation art have gained prominence. There is a greater emphasis on experimentation and pushing boundaries. Contemporary art often reflects social, political, and cultural issues. The art world has become more accessible with online platforms and social media playing a significant role in promoting and sharing artwork. So, that is the evolution of art, visual arts, music, and fashion.